Hey everyone, welcome back to the Woodland Reboot. Peter here at the Reboot. Built that whole barn by myself, whole shed shop. I milled the logs here on this sawmill, Woodland Mills 122. Check out the link above to see that process. Okay, we're here today. We've got the second cherry log on the deck. It's ready to go. It's socked down. Got the lubricant in the tank. Blade is tightened. Let's see what we can do with this log. Okay, most of the bark, a lot of it doesn't want to come off. As you can see, some of it is. It's just easier to do it while you're out here. Get rid of this bark now if it wants to come off. Had a lot of rain yesterday, and it's cold today. You can see with the snow on the ground. So some additional water might have gotten into the bark and helped bond it a little bit more to the side here. Anyways, we've got our first slab off. I'm probably going to cut a little bit off of this blade and get the handsaw. But again, cherry, guys. Beautiful cherry grain coming out of this. Look at that. Don't even need to wet it down today. It's very damp wood. Well, we've got a little bit of rot. An old bark inclusion in the tree here. Who knows what caused that over the years. But that'll look nice. Again, you can pick that out after it's dried, clean it up, and fill it with some epoxy. And it makes it for a very nice feature in whatever piece of furniture you make in the future. Let's try that. Another beautiful board. Another nice slab. That one's 1.25 inches thick. I'm alternating between 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches. I'm going to rotate the log now. Remember everyone, this is an entry-level, what I call an entry-level mill. It's a 7 horsepower motor, 22 inches girth. So it's a little bit of an effort to push it through a log like this. Backfire action there. This one's 1 3/4 inches, almost 2 inches. not even going to worry about that bark. It is not budging. Going to saw up after this one, and I think I'm going to swap out the blade. Not today, not in this video, but you know, 2 cherry logs, approximately 18 inches in diameter, and this blade I think has about had it. This last piece is 2 1/4 inches thick. What I'm going to do, these are 8 feet long, anywhere from 1 1/4 to 1 3/4 thick, and they're very wet. They are heavy. A couple of these ones down. This one right here was the heaviest, of course. Anyways, that's 2 logs, one on top of the other. It is pretty stable. I need to get myself some more stickers. The next one's a short one. All right, time to strap. One strap on nice and tight. Okay, as you can see behind me here, I've got my 2 cherry logs. Stickered, strapped, and stacked. I love it. One with the bark removed, down below. One with the bark still on. I think they're about 20% moisture content right now, so maybe a good 6 months air drying here inside the shop. And then, like I said in the previous video, I'm going to get them down to a local kiln so I can work with this wood. If you're enjoying the videos, subscribe, like, and share. Helps me out with YouTube. Everyone, have a good week.